I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you all how to assemble the Luvlap speedrunner ride-on car for kids. So stay tuned to watch the whole video to learn how to assemble this amazing car for kids. So let's get down to the assembly of the car. So first of all let's look what all do we get in the box. Here are all the things that have come in the box. First of all, this is the base of the car which comes in the box. So you can see it's a normal plastic base of the car. Then we have a steering wheel. Here is a steering wheel that has come along with it. And if you can see, there's actually speaker inside this, and then there are buttons for music here. So we get the steering wheel is there. Then we have the backrest that has come with the car. There's a backrest available. Then this is a front axle of the car with the front two wheels. So we get a front axle. And here is the back axle, the back side with the brakes of the car. This is the rear wheels of the car. This is what we get. And then to attach everything together, we get one big screw which is there. We have one big screw and nut here. And then we have two other small screws here. Two other small screws available as well. You can see this. So we had a total of 3 screws along with the Luvlap speedrunner concept car. So let's go ahead and assemble the car. The first thing that I'm going to assemble on this car is the backrest. So it's a simple push-in method. I just need to push it back down here. You can see there are 2 gaps here in it. So I just need to push this part of the backrest right into that slot. So here we go. And once I hear the click sound, it's right into place. You can see that it's in place right here. So the backrest is in place right now. The next thing up, we are going to put in the front axle of the car. This is the front axle of the car with the front 2 wheels. Right, so we are going to attach the front axle. Let's turn the car upside down here. And let's just put in the front axle. So you can see there is this part which is there on this side. And this side it's not there. At the same time, there's a gap for that part to fit in here. And you have to put it in like this. And just push it in into place so that it will keep the movement turn really so much. Okay. So after putting in the front axle, the next thing that we need to attach right now is the steering wheel. So the steering wheel sits right on top of the axle in this form, where the buttons are actually facing you or the rider, the kid. Okay, now you can see that the grooves for the screw will come together and you will be able to easily see through it. So now you have to put in the biggest screw that you have here, which is this one. You need to put it through from one side and then attach the nut on the other side. Here we go. This is screw and this is a nut. This is screw. And right now we are just going to put it through from one side and then just quickly attach it. And just tighten it up. And now you all can see that the steering wheel is attached and the wheels can be moved using the steering. Now is the time for the back wheel or the rear wheels. And now we are going to attach the rear wheels. So here we go. Here are the rear wheels. We have just turned the car upside down right now. So the rear wheels will fit in like this, in this way, where the brakes come on the back side. And then you just fit it into the groove, right? And here are the 2 screws that we have. Now where do we need to put them? You all can see there are 2 grooves for the screw, one right inside, there's one right inside there, one and one here. So we need to fit the 2 screws in there. So we'll need a big screwdriver for that. So here's a screwdriver that I'm going to use. It's a Phillips screwdriver. So I'll just I'll just attach the screw to screwdriver here. This is a magnetic one, and we just try to reach right in there and just screw it up. Just tighten it with the screwdriver. And now the screw is in place. And now it's time for the second screw, which is this one, which goes in this groove here. It will go in here. Okay, so again the same way we are going to do. We will just put the screw on the magnetic screwdriver. It's in place. And now we'll just go ahead and screw it into the place right now. We just screwed the screw into place, and here it is. The Luvlap Speedrunner has been assembled. Let's look at the features that come in this car. So it's a ride-on toy for toddlers and babies about the age of 1. So the total weight capacity that this Luvlap Speedrunner can take is max is 25 kgs, and it is suitable for toddlers from the age of 1 to the age of 3 years. So it's from the 12 months to 36 months age group. This is for the 12 months to 36 months age group. What do we have here is we have the horn. The first button is for the horn here. We have the first button is for the horn. And second one is for the nursery rhymes. So it has a total of 3 nursery rhymes. There's Baba Black Sheep, there's ABCD, and there's something else in Chinese. So there are a total of 3 nursery rhymes in this, and a horn, which keeps the kids really engaged with the car because it is fun to press the button and they can hear these. They can hear the nursery rhymes. They can hear the horn being sound of the horn as well, which gets them more attracted to the toy. And it is a really smooth toy, and it doesn't topple over because of this. So this thing can be like a brake that the kid can use if they are going too fast, and it won't let the car topple over as well because of the support that is there at the back. So this will stop it from toppling over. So that is the best part about the Luvlap Speedrunner. It's made out of high quality plastic. The plastic used is quite good here. The steering wheel and the wheel quality of the plastic of the wheels is also quite good, and it is very sturdy. And my daughter has been using it since she was a year old, and she's still using it. She's over 2 years right now, and she's still using it, and she enjoys playing with this car. So it's an amazing toy to which teaches your child the gross motor skills. So it's an amazing toy from Luvlap. I think the cost of this car is around ₹1,000. If you all want to purchase it online, I purchased it from Amazon. If you all want to purchase it online, the link to the product is in the description below. You have to go ahead and purchase it from there. So guys, if you all like this video, do subscribe to my channel and do hit the like button.